In every generation, there is a moment when the rules of money change. The people who notice it early build the future. The people who don't spend years trying to catch up. And right now, we are living through one of those moments. The internet already created a new economy, but most people are still trying to win with the old rules. They trade time for money, they chase crowded opportunities, they look for the next shortcut. But if I had to start from zero today, I wouldn't start by looking for money. I would look at the people who are quietly winning, not the ones showing rented cars online, the ones building real digital assets. And when you study them, one pattern appears again and again. They all understood one thing: money follows value. But value in the digital world works differently. One person can now create something once and deliver it to millions. But this is where the dream breaks, because the internet also created a problem. Everyone wants attention, everyone wants customers, everyone wants freedom, but very few people know how to become impossible to ignore. The opportunity is everywhere. The skill to capture it is rare. So the real question isn't, how do I make money online? The real question is, what can I build that the world actually needs? And the answer starts with changing the way you see money itself. The uncomfortable truth is, most people don't fail online because they lack opportunities. They fail because they are building the wrong things. They spend months learning random skills. They create products nobody needs. They chase attention without having anything valuable to offer. And eventually, they blame the internet. But the internet was never the problem. The people who win understand a simple equation: find a valuable problem, build the ability to solve it, then use the internet to deliver that solution. That's the new advantage: not working harder, not finding a secret trick, but having the ability to create value at a scale that was impossible before. This is why a teenager with a laptop can compete with companies that existed before they were born, not because they have more resources, because technology gives them leverage. One idea, one skill, one solution can now reach people all over the world. So if I had to start from zero today, I wouldn't ask, what is the fastest way to make money? I would ask, what problem can I become valuable enough to solve? Because once you understand this, the internet stops looking like a place full of random opportunities. It becomes a marketplace, a place where skills become businesses and ideas become assets. The next generation of wealth won't only belong to the people with the most money. It will belong to the people who can learn, create, and adapt faster than everyone else. The rules changed. The question is, will you notice before everyone else does?